What's the meaning of chat up? Chat up. Chat up.
Chat up. Chat up. Chat up is a phrasal verb that means to talk flirtatiously with someone, usually with the intention of starting a romantic or sexual relationship. It often involves making compliments, using humor, and displaying confidence. The result of a chat up can vary greatly depending on the individuals involved and the context of the conversation. It could lead to a successful date, a rejection, or simply a pleasant conversation without any further romantic implications. However, it is important to approach chatting up someone with respect and consideration for their boundaries and comfort levels.